In this video, we'll show you how to correctly set up liquor products with a base unit of measure of tot. For this example, we'll use a standard vodka item, sold per tot but purchased from the supplier in a 750 milliliter bottle. Step 1. Set up the item profile. Start by configuring the sales and/or inventory item profile. Then, navigate to the Stock Configure tab and set the base unit of measure as tots. This ensures accurate recipe deductions and reporting. If receiving stock by the bottle is more convenient, you can set up an alternative unit of measure. Step 2. Configure an alternative unit of measure. If the alternative unit of measure hasn't been set up yet, go to the Units of Measure tab in the Springboard menu. Click the plus button to Add New Item. In the Unit of Measure Details panel, enter a name. Example 750 milliliter bottle. Set up the conversion formula. Click Add Conversion and define the ratio to convert base units to the alternative unit of measure. The To field represents the alternative unit of measure you are linking to the 750 bottle to convert. Choose division or multiplication based on whether you need to divide the bottle into tots or multiply to calculate the total volume. Once completed, the system will generate an example formula for reference. Step 3. Link the unit of measure to the inventory item. Finally, link the newly created unit of measure to the inventory item, ensuring seamless stock tracking and reporting. And that's it. Your liquor product is now properly configured.